Okay. See here, you have to take, because this is a common node in the problem, you can see that it is a common node. So that's why 50 amps is there, no? That 50 amps is going to divide into three paths. Okay, one path is through 2 ohms, another one is through 1 ohm and 5 ohms. So likewise, three currents are flowing, and we know that according to Kirchhoff's current law, that is KCL, sum of currents entering towards the node is equal to the sum of currents leaving from the node. So here we can say that wait no, we can consider whatever the node is there, that node, total two nodes are there. I will show you. See here, this is the Mr. Shekhar Reddy, unmute yourself. Okay, this will be acting as common node. Okay, and this is also a one node. This is the reference node. Okay, here we can say that this 50 amps is entering this node. This is a common node. There is no resistor here and here and here, so that is why this 50 amps is entering this node. Okay, and here three currents are leaving: current 1, current 2 and current 3. Three currents, I1, I2 and I3. So we can just apply Kirchhoff's KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. I am assuming this is sum of currents entering, that is capital I. I is equal to sum of leaving currents, that is capital I1. Okay, I1, capital I2 and I3. Is it okay? So those are the currents. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So we know that according to Ohm's law, this is very important. No? Just previously we have discussed Ohm's law is, without Ohm's law we cannot do any circuits. Okay, so we should know this basic formula, that is V is equal to IR. So what is I from this? What is I? I is equal to what? V by R. Okay, I we can write it as V by R. So in the place of I1, here we know that it is parallel connection. Okay, this connection is parallel. So because of that, and the parallel, the voltage will be whatever the voltage is there, the same voltage will be applying for resistor this resistor and this resistor. So that is why I am taking that, because it is a common, no? Common means voltage is same. Okay, because it is a common node, voltage will be same. This is acting like a positive and this is acting like negative, or phase or neutral. So that is why the potential difference is existing between these two nodes. Yes or no? So that's why it is V by I can write it as V by R. So that is I1 I am writing, no, voltage is common for all, so I am writing simply voltage as V. Okay, here the voltage difference is V between these 2 points. So V by, and resistor is, this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Okay, so here what is common? Common is V only, no? So that's why I'm taking V as common here. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And we know the values of current I in the problem they have given as 50. And what is the question they are asking? We need to find the voltage and we need to find the current in each branches. So you have to find actually I1, I2, I3. So with how you will find I1, I2, I3? What is I1? I1 is V by R1. So R1 is known value. I1 we need to find. So before finding I1, we should find voltage, no? So that's why we are finding V here from this one. Okay. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. The values are 1 by R1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5. No need of taking all the LCM and every steps. Automatically in Casio scientific calci, you just type these values. Everybody is having calcis, no? Calculator.
No, sir.
Okay, you just do it in the calci. Directly you can get the value as, okay, V is equal to up to here. It is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. We will go. We will find the voltage here. From this, we are going to get, and then when you do in the calci, directly you will get voltage V is equal to 29.41. Did everyone got the same value, nearer value? Some will get 29.41, something like that. Okay, approximately you will get 29 point something voltage. Okay, this is the thing. Up to it is clear, I think. Now after getting that values, you can find the individual currents I1, I2 and I3. And already we said that I can be I1, when we I1 is what, V by R1, I2 is V by R2, and I3 is V by R3. You got the voltage, no? And you know the resistors. You just substitute it, you are going to get the values of I1, I2 and I3. You will get that, I1 as 29.41 by 2, that is 14.705. I2 as 29.41 divided by 1, that is 29.41. And 29.41 divided by 5 is approximately, it is 6. When you summate all these three values, we know that I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. No, we need to verify Kirchhoff's current law. So I1 plus I2 plus I3, if we add all those three, you will get approximately 49.9999 something like that, which is approximately 50 amperes. So this is the problem yesterday I have given as homework. Finished, everyone? Will I go with the next?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you note down this problem. Determine current in the circuit. Determine current in the circuit and also find the voltage drop across 30 ohm resistor. Find the voltage drop across 30 ohm resistor. Can anyone tell me the answer? Please work out and tell me the answer. Everybody finished by taking this question?
The battery one, that is the 100 or 10?
100.
100, okay.
$40 volts, 8, 30, 2 and 100 volts. So you have to find the current in the circuit. That means what is the current, and we have to find the voltage across 30 ohms resistor. See, this is the hint I am giving. You can see the circuit. Here in the question, it is the small line is there, no? That is negative, and bigger line is positive. Everyone's watch here. This is positive and this is negative. Plus and minus is given. Change this. Okay, all of you change this. The upper one is negative and the upper down one is the positive terminal. 100 volts, 40 volts. And you can see that 30 and 2 ohms is there, no? Is there any connection? Is there any intersection? There is no intersection, ma. Just this is the line over on that one. It is going. Okay. You this whatever the 2 ohms is there, you can bend. That means you can stretch here. When you stretch here, automatically this 2 volts is connected to what? This 2 volts is connected with the negative terminal of the battery, and 8 ohms is connected with positive terminal of the battery. So likewise, this is the new circuit you are going to get 40 volts, 100 volts, 8 ohms, 30 and 2. And the thing is, he is asking that to find the question, that is current, what is the current flowing in the circuit. And see that here total 2 voltage sources are there. In which direction actually you need to take? Either from 40 volts or 100 volts.
Positive to negative.
That circuit is a series.
100.
So always highest potential will delivers, no, because 100 is more compared to 40. So from 100 only current
Yes, sir.
is delivering. Okay. So
Yes.
likewise you need to consider, that means from 100 current is flowing. That's why the direction of current I have considered as from 100 to plus 2. Always current flows from positive to negative, no? Highest potential. Positive means highest potential, negative means lowest potential. Always current flows from
100.
highest potential.
From 100 to 440.
What is the highest potential? 100. What is the lowest potential? 40. So that is 100. From 100 to 40 it is going. That means
40.
back to minus. Yeah, tell me, did anyone got the current in the circuit? Anyone?
R what we have to take, sir?
R value is
R. What is we have to take?
3 and 2. How they are connected?
Series.
Series means you have to add all these values. That is the R equivalent.
Sir, is it 1.5?
Yes, correct. I is 1.5. What about voltage?
1.5.
So what about voltage drop across 30 ohms? This is 1.5. What about
15.
sorry?
15.
No, check it. Voltage
No,
formula.
no.
What is the voltage formula? We know Ohm's law. V is equal to
V equal to I.
I into
IR.
R. We know I is 1.5.
Sir, 45.
I equal V by R.
Check it. R value
I
is
equal
Sir,
V by R.
45.
30 into 1.5.
1.5, sir, that is 45.
1.5 into 30 is 45. Okay, correct.
That, తెల్లది వెళ్తాంది
Check the answer. I have shared the answer. V is equal to 45 volts.
45. 45, yes, sir.
Okay, will we go with the next problem? Did everyone finish?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. Write down all of you. Determine current in the 10 ohm resistor. Current in the 10 ohm resistor. And tell me the answer for that. Here in the problem, two sources are given. One is 10 amperes Another one is 5 amperes. Okay, and the thing is, all the resistors, whatever the resistors are there, passive elements are there, those are absorbing elements. Absorbing means receiving. So receiving means what? The direction of current is towards, that means
Energy.
downwards only, no? All I1, I2, I3, I4 direction, how it will be? To directed towards the reference node, that is ground potential. Yes or no? So this is the int I have given, and you can see that how many sources are there? Two sources are there. Those two sources are towards the node, and the remaining four currents are there. Those are receiving. That means you just apply Kirchhoff's current law, you will get the solution. That is 10 amps you assume as I1, 5 amps you assume as I2. I1 plus I2 is equal to, or otherwise you can consider capital letters as your wish, you can follow. So two sources are entering, and remaining four sources, I1, I2, I3, I4 are leaving currents. You just add, you will get the answer. And the thing is, all are connected in parallel. No any resistor. Is there any resistors on the node, upper node? Common node only, no? No resistor means
No.
voltage is same. Okay, because it is parallel. So just a basic thing you apply, you will going to get the individual currents, or you can find only in the question they have mentioned only across 10 ohms. You just find 10 ohms. At 10 ohms, what is the I1 value? Did everyone got? Make it fast, might is 10 minutes only.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Some are joining very late. See, by default, my link is same for all the sessions. Okay, and whatever the class time is there, you just log in at that time. If any changes, I will mention in the group. If there is no changes, automatically by default class timings only. Okay.
Sir, what is the answer?
What do you got?
I got 2.5, sir.
Wrong, sir.
2.5, yeah. Up to I, up,
Less
up
than
to, scroll down, sir.
less than one you are going to get. Check it.
Less than 1.
Yes. I have given the hint also. You just go through with that. Okay, okay. Yeah, this 5 amps is actually current direction directed towards negative. So if you follow this, I is
What?
equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 is given, no?
2.7 or 2.5 is
Okay,
coming,
okay.
sir.
If you follow that one, you are going to get maybe. Everyone, what's the value you got? Please, Mr. You change your 5 amps as downward direction now. You just work out. Change the current as
5
downward.
amps, sir, downward direction.
Yeah, downward direction. You just work out all of you. Change to 5 amps and work out. See here, this 5 amps is there, no? 5 amps is downwards. Change 5 amps as downwards. 10 amps, only the 10 amps is the entering current and remaining all are leaving. Now you tell me the answer. All of you change to 5 amps and tell me, change the direction to downwards. Tell me the answer. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I5. That I5 is 5 amperes and capital I is the 10 amperes.
Sir, I got one.
Yeah, tell me, ma. This is capital I. This is I1, capital I1. This is I2. This is I3. This is
Sir,
capital.
I got V equals to 1.11.
What is the value of current? Current I am asking you. This is I.
Okay.
This is I5. See, this is the answer. Voltage, how much you got, man? Voltage, all of you.
7.
2.7, not 7. Check it.
0.7 only I got, sir.
Okay, 2.7 you got. Then substitute. Current through 10 ohms. I is equal to V by R. 2.7 by 10. How much, ma?
0.27.
But you said a different answer previously. Everybody got the answer, same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Only 3 minutes is left. Okay, you just write down the heading as a basic circuit elements. The basic circuit elements, what are the basic circuit elements in electrical circuit? Resistor, inductor, and capacitor. Okay, so what is resistor? Resistor is indicated with capital R, first letter of R. In capacitor, first letter is C, that is why C. But in inductor, I am not indicating with I am indicating with capital L, not I. Because I is used for what? Can anyone? I is used for which one?
Current, sir.
Current.
For current, we are using I. That's why I am not indicating I for inductor. I am indicating L as indicator. Okay. So the basic element resistor we see already we have finished with the Ohm's law. The same thing we can take. Okay. So resistor we have taken no in the Ohm's law, that only. What is meant by resistor? Resistor is nothing but resistance is nothing but it is the property which opposes the flow of current or electrons. Already we seen that V is equal to
IR.
V is equal to IR. We have seen I is equal to I is
IR.
V by R.
V by R. I is equal to V by R. Okay. So clearly we can say that I is inversely proportional to resistance or not? Is it directly or
Yes,
inversely?
sir. Inversely proportional to this.
Inversely proportional to resistance. That means R increases means current what happens? R increases.
Decreases. Current decreases. R increases.
R increases.
Decreases.
Current decreases.
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 Okay. R decreases means current
Current increases. Increases.
okay, vice versa. Is it okay? So clearly we can say that it is that means R value is increasing means which is opposes the current or not.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir. It's suppose.
we know that for wood material, what is the resistance? Infinite resistance. Infinite resistance means is there any current?
No.
No.
No current passage.
Value is infinite. What is the current? R increases means R is infinite. What is current? I is equal to V by infinite.
Zero.
You just substitute I is equal to V by R. R value is infinite. Anything by infinite is okay. Actually here it is not.
Zero.
So value is more, no? R value is more means automatically this is suppose can you divide 1 by infinite value? What is the value? Suppose if you divide 1 by infinite.
Zero.
Zero.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So on up to 0 only, no? Almost it is 0 only, no? So likewise,
Yes, sir.
likewise we